I'm with Hamad Isaac. Hamad came in Friday for the first day of our Details R Certified Detailer Licensee private training program, and he came in all the way from Kentucky.
Sir.
So, what made you decide to come to the Details R private training?
I am opening my own shop, and I found you, and I wanted to come here because it was one-on-one training. I found other training schools, but it was groups.
You like the one-on-one?
Definitely, I
Sure.
wanted to open my own shop, so I wanted a personal training so I can have all the details
Excellent.
and information.
And I think you got the shop. You wanted to come to the training, get certified,
Yes.
go back and outfit it. Great.
Yes. Right.
So, what do you think of the business training on Friday?
I feel like if I didn't come, I would have probably lost a lot in the business.
So, it definitely had a lot
this-
of value to it.
Definitely, definitely. A lot of training, a lot of planning, business ideas, a lot of information that I gathered from you.
You did very good.
Yes.
Excellent.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And then Saturday was the exterior paint correction training,
Yes.
polishing, ceramic coating. How do you think you did that day?
That was great too. I had first time experience in seeing details this level. I've seen details before, but I've never seen it like this, which was surprising for me. And I loved it because it's a lot of experience for me.
So, you think you can go back and offer paint correction and ceramic coatings comfortably?
Definitely, because I've done it here.
Yeah. You did a
with
great
people watching
job.
over.
You did a great job. It's like you've been doing it for a long, long time.
Yeah.
And today was the interior day, and we also did headlight restoration.
Yes.
Yeah, what'd you think of that day?
I also like this. We did work with leather, we worked with cloth, and we did a lot of cleaning inside and outside for the glasses and all
The
of the
ceramic coating the
details.
interior too. Excellent.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys did this beautiful Audi. Look at that. Thumbs up, Chris. Chris did a great job training Chase yesterday. I mean, look how this thing came out.
Yeah.
It's fabulous. Would you refer others to come to the Details R training?
Definitely.
Excellent. You're a great student. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.